Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 DNS server not responding error fix. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Wi-Fi, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.